Great! The backend deployment script has finished running, and you can now start configuring the app. All the necessary steps are described in the README file. Set your development team and the bundle identifier for your app. Next, you need to specify the address of your new backend in the app. You can copy it from the script console and paste it into the configuration file. Don't forget to add API at the end if you didn't change this value during installation. While the installer was running, a project in Firebase was created or configured. You need to add its settings to the app if you haven't added an iOS app to the project yet. Add it now. Then download the configuration file and drag it into the project. Additional authentication setup. If you use email sign-in and the Firebase UI, you need to relax the security requirements. After configuring payments in App Store Connect, update the backend settings. The demo app already has in-app purchase options added. Enable payments and specify your app's bundle ID and App Store ID. Copy this data into the configuration file, following the example. If you wish, you can also configure payments via Stripe using our guide. After making all the changes to the configuration file, you need to reconfigure the backend.to do this. Run the installer script again, specifying that you want to update the settings and wait until it finishes successfully. Now you can build and run the app on the simulator. Congratulations, you did it. You see the first screen with the services and can now explore the app's functionality further.